Rosetta, welcome to my school.
We're a city kindergarten, and we feel it's very important that the children have opportunities for free play in nature. Nature is a big classroom for the children to explore and discover.
透過家務啦，佢哋就可以練下佢哋嘅雙手，鍛鍊下佢哋嘅大小肌肉。另外又可以俾佢哋有機會同一群人一齊試下社交，點樣去合作，有呢個群體嘅歸屬感。
The children really enjoyed doing the artistic activities of wet-on-wet painting. We have many activities to engage the children's feelings. It's a great opportunity for the children to work with pure color, quite formless, so it's more of a color experience, a spatial experience. We want to provide an environment that's warm and welcoming so that the children feel secure. Beauty attracts children, and all of the natural materials that we provide the children give them a very hands-on experience, and that's an essential part of our education because ours is an education for the development of the senses. Good sense development in childhood will provide a whole rich life for the children as they grow older.